Okay, beautiful. Now we're entering chapter 6 for ground operation and servicing. We're gonna have a total of 41 questions in this section. It's gonna be divided into 4 even parts. All right, so let's get started. Ground operation and servicing is question 1. Shut the engine down. Shut the engine down. Shut the engine down. During the starting of a turbine power plant, when using compressed air starter, a hung start occurred. Select the proper procedure. You shut it down. Shut the engine down. All right. Number 2, the starter cutting off too soon. The starter is cutting off too soon. The starter is cutting off too soon. A hung start in a jet engine is often caused by the starter cutting off too soon. The starter cutting off too soon. A hung start on a jet engine is caused by the starter cutting off too soon. Number 3, steerable nose wheel. The torque link lock should be set to full swivel. Steerable nose wheel. The torque link lock should be set to a full swivel. So the statement that is true below reflects a typical requirement when towing some aircrafts. The steerable nose wheel torque links should be set to full swivel. Should be set to full swivel. Number 4. Which statement is true regarding tie downs for small aircraft? The second one is the only one that is true. Nylon or Dacron ropes is preferred to the manila ropes. Nylon or a Dacron rope is preferred over to a manila rope. Okay? Nylon or Dacron rope is preferred over a manila rope. Number 5, 25 feet. 25 feet. When approaching an engine from an idling jet engine, the hazardous area extends forward of the engine approximately 25 feet. 25 feet. When an aircraft is idling and you're approaching it, you want to stay a good 25 feet away from the engine. 25 feet. 25 feet. Number 6, carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide. Which of the following is most satisfactory extinguishing agent for use on a carburetor or an intake fire? Carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide. Which is more satisfactory extinguishing agent to use on a carburetor or an intake fire? Using carbon dioxide. Number 7. Figure 50, identify the signal to engage a rotorcraft. Engage a rotorcraft. So you're engaging it and you use figure 3. Okay, you point to it and you tell them go ahead and start spinning. So the third one is you're engaging the rotorcraft. Okay. Number 8, check for hydraulic lock. Check for hydraulic lock. If a radial engine has been shut down for more than 30 minutes, the propellers should rotate through at least 2 revolutions. Why? Because you want to check for a hydraulic lock. Check for hydraulic lock. You spin the propellers, make sure that they go all the way over at least a couple times for checking for a hydraulic lock. Number 9, full rich position. Full rich position. The priming of a fuel injected horizontally opposed engine is accomplished by placing the fuel control lever in the full rich position. Full rich position. The priming of a fuel injected horizontally opposed engine is accomplished by placing the fuel lever in the full rich position. Number 10, EGT, TIT, and ITT. EGT, TIT, and I or ITT. So the most important conditions to be monitored during any engine start after fuel flow begins in a turbine engine, you're looking for EGT, you're looking for the ITT, and you're definitely looking for TIT. Okay? EGT, TIT, ITT. EGT, TIT, and ITT. All right, take your first quiz, and I'll see you soon.